Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Begin by gathering supplies on a clean surface and washing your hands thoroughly. Wash the wound and surrounding skin with soap and water for 20 seconds. Rinse gently and remove visible debris using clean tweezers if needed. Pat the area dry with a clean towel and avoid rubbing the skin. If hair prevents adhesion, trim hair to about 3–5 inches from the wound carefully. Apply a pea-sized amount of antibiotic ointment to the center of the wound. Open the waterproof bandage package without touching the adhesive side. Hold the bandage by the edges and center the pad directly over the wound. Ensure the protective inner pad fully covers the wound before sealing the bandage. Gently press the adhesive edges starting at the pad and smoothing outward. Smooth each edge for at least 10 seconds to secure an effective seal. If the bandage has a flexible frame, flex it slightly to conform to curves. Avoid stretching the skin while applying the bandage to prevent gaps. Check that no adhesive wrinkles remain that might let water through. After application, keep the waterproof bandage on for up to 7 days unless it becomes loose or wet. Replace the bandage immediately after it becomes wet or soiled to prevent infection. Check the wound daily and watch for increased redness, swelling, warmth, or drainage. Clean the wound with soap and water and pat dry before applying a new bandage. If drainage increases or redness spreads, remove the bandage and seek medical advice promptly. For activities like swimming, ensure the seal remains intact and avoid prolonged submersion. Dispose of used bandages in a sealed trash bag after single use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.